Welcome my people, welcome back to Venomite TV. As you can see, I'm on the farm and we have rain at this moment. Whole heap of rain fall. And see me still up on the farm said we even when my next spring, up on the farm. So what I want to do, I want to like, subscribe, comment and share. Yes, some of the sorrel here. We get rain in people and guess what now? I don't want too much rain because the rain has beat down the sorrel. As you can see. So when I get beat down. Yeah. We don't want too much rain, even though we want the rain still, but you know, we don't want too much. Yeah. We don't want too much people. Father God, pour down a blessing for me. Yeah, Father God, pour down a blessing. See me have a pumpkin and paper. Pumpkin. Yeah, so I have pumpkin ready. Yeah, that is it. Let me see if it start beer it. Yeah man, start beer already. See I have one little pumpkin there already. I mean, I will it the through it said way. Yeah people, when I check in, when I go and check in said way. And I go see wall it more. Yeah. Yeah, peeps, so I tell you say the rain and fall, I mean to say the rain and fall hard, as I say. The sorrel here. Hard this way I get the rain so far. Yeah man. Tell you say the rain and fall, wicked. And I like the rain and fall, you know, but guess you know, I don't want too much. So what I go on here? Banana tree them a drop down and the ground gets soft. Big Rose Michelle banana this you know man. Root up that one they broke. I must kill my sorrel them star, you know. Yeah man. The hard rain here fall. Almost damage my sorrel them star. Root up out the ground. The hard rain and fall and the place gets soft. That one that broke. Yeah. Catch it free, catch it free. Rain on me there. Sorry, I almost get licked down. Can't afford to make the thing get because I work hard, you know man. Can't afford to make the thing. Sorrel them. I want them to get ready up. I think them to get ready up. Beer rain and fall, beer rain. Just come off of the farm. Yeah. I tell us right now, not even hurricane barrel when I get them type of rain. Yeah, because everyone never come down so that they might die now.